fix USB ports not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Restart your PC. Ensure that you have correctly inserted your unidentified USB device into the suspicious USB port. Proceed to restart your computer. After the operating system has finished rebooting, it should recognize the USB device. In the event that it fails to do so, it is advisable to examine the device within the Windows Device Manager. If that didn't work. Method 2. Update or reinstall the driver. If that didn't work. Method 3. Modify power settings. Find USB Selective Suspend setting. Change the drop-down menu to Disabled. Click Apply and then OK to confirm the changes. Finally, reboot your PC to ensure that the modified settings are applied. Method 4. Reset the BIOS/UEFI settings. Next to the Advanced Startup option, click on Restart Now. While your computer is restarting in Advanced Startup mode, you will be able to choose your boot options. Choose UEFI firmware settings and click on Restart. This will boot your computer directly into Windows UEFI BIOS. Look for the option to reset settings.